Good morning, guys. Today we are Simba here to discuss a very important topic. And today our discussion class and the topic is that is the importance of holiday. You all know very well about what is the importance of holiday in our life because everyone want to get a holiday because they want to enjoy in his life. And if I talk about in a schooling time, a number of people want to search a holiday and they want to wait for a holiday because when the school gave the holiday at that time, people at that time also students are very excited to enjoy, very excited to visit different places. As per my opinion, the holiday is good because at the end of month, at the end of week, they give they give a holiday, and it will be better for every person because whose person are only focused on their studies, whose students are only focused on their studies, they have a chance to get enjoy, they have a chance to know about what is going on in our societies. So it is good, and if I talk about in any job sector, in a government sector, also private sector, there is a very less number of holiday because they want to do work only. They don't want to think about it is important. The holiday is important for every person. That is why they give very less number of holiday. And in a school time, in a schooling sector, the holiday is very high. Means number of holiday is very high. And one of the biggest holiday is Sunday because everywhere Sunday is a holiday, and many people want to in Sunday. Many people want to visit different places and want to know about what is going on in our society, also what is going on in our India. So that's all. Good morning to all of you. I am Anushka Shankar, and today is very interesting topic. Holiday means a free day where you no want to go your schools, colleges, and working places. Holiday having this festival, maximum festival in Hindu cultures that is spent with lots of time and lots of day, and this is also called a holiday. Hindu festival also come from we compare to the community, another community and cultures. They are the more holiday are present in the Hindus festival. And now, holiday, the real enjoyment of holiday in school life because there are the lots of summer vacations, winter vacations, rainy vacations, and DM postponed the due to heavy rain, due to heavy winter. That's after thing, and a lot of peoples and childs go for the her parents' house and also go from the hilly area, tourist that type of thing, and explore herself in this. But we are going to the corporate sector when we get a young person and going to the for the job. There's a very less number of the holiday because if we absent a one day then our payment will be cut, but in childhood there is no any cut payment mode. That's why we real enjoyment of the holiday in our childhood, not our young age, because young age always do lots of many companies doesn't make a single day Sunday will be off, and people continue this type of work they do. Then lots of people will be has our mind, and pressure and stress will be in our body. If we feel holiday and relax one day, then our mind also relax to do work something and explore something new and go from outside our work. If a student continue a study within a week does not go for outside, then student mind will be not relaxed and they will be always a stressful mind and get depression also. This if holiday are get enjoyment and make explore and another want to visit the another place to make a happy like park, zoo, that type of the thing you can explore in your holiday museum where you can explore ourselves and enjoy ourselves. And in holiday lots of work pending, housework you can do with the housework because it's your personal day. Sunday is your personal day, you can do the hot because Monday to Saturday there is the only working day and Sunday is the holiday. You can day and improve yourself and care yourself. That's all from my side. Good morning, guys. Today is our discussion class, and our topic is importance of holiday. As we all know that holiday is an important day in our life, and holiday are
There are many types of holidays, like every Sunday in holiday and winter vacation, summer vacation, and the schools have only many holidays due to the heavy rain, more heat, more variety, more heat due to the sun, and more winter. So that type of thing. The children those who are in schooling time, they more much like the holidays because they had to take risk on this. The holiday when the holiday not occur, the people have lost their mental. The people will lose their mental and physical health also. Talk about me that I like the summer vacation more because in summer vacation we go to our village or any places and we enjoy and eat mangoes, lychees and many things. And in winter vacation we also enjoy many times and we burn fire and sit near the fire and talk with our grandparents and mostly in the society the people sit in the winter vacation and enjoy the vacations. Holiday is one of the most important thing in the working man's also. Thank you. So this keeps everything behind and both brothers in back. And camera already recorded both back. Both brothers in back. He is back.
Good morning, friends. My topic is importance of holiday is very important in our student life and in our jobless people and jobless people and in many types of holiday in every Sunday and Hindu festival like Holi, Diwali, and in etc. In etc. All festival in holiday, but importance of holiday in all people is working in another places and visiting in home and yes, sir. I am sorry. Good morning, guys. This is discussion class, and our topic is important of holiday is important day in children life and jobbing person life. It is a day in that schools and in many institutes and many sectors are closed and there are many types of holidays like on Sundays all schools and many jobs are closed and on Saturday banking sector second and fourth Saturday is closed and in school some schools are closed on Saturday also and there are summer vacation holiday winter vacation holiday and if there is a lot of heavy rain and heavy winter so DM also DM also asked the order to close the schools and institutes and no after someone completed then you can get your content. My topic is importance of holiday are very special day. Holiday relax our mind. Holiday give us freedom. I spend time with family and friends. Some people go for outing and many people visit relatives. Holiday are an opportunity to quality time with family and friends. We go to visit new places on holiday. We do not go to school holiday. Children feel happy and excited. It was a very experience and imaging. That's all. Good morning, all of you. My name is Neha. My today topic is important of holidays. Day of holiday is a day of rest and enjoyment. It gives us relax from our daily routine of school or work. Holidays is a holiday is a important of physical and mental health because
They help us relax and feel fresh. During holidays, some people spend time with family and friends. Every Sunday is a holiday. Good morning, everyone. My name is today is 7th class, and today topic is importance of holiday. Importance. All life is important. More day. Holiday is summer vacation is more day holiday, and jobbing person is holiday is very important, and time spent our family enjoy or celebrate. Holiday is many types of the winter, summer vacation, winter season, and festival, many more. So, hello everyone, my name is Sir Kumar, and today I am assembled here, and today I will want to share about the holiday. So, as we know that holiday is very important for is valuable part for students and all people, and holiday every day everybody are refreshed and rest for after work, and we have a holiday Sunday and Saturday, and our special day just like 15 August and Diwali, Dasahara, Holi. These days are close for institutes for great source for our student life, and during our holiday we do not need to go the work, and after holiday so student is lots of time enjoy just like with friends and family, and routine is and holiday then student routine is very break just like every morning wake up the 10 p.m 12 10 a.m and 12 p.m. I'll wake up in this morning, and that's all. Good morning, friends. My name is Dad. Today I am here to speak about the importance of holiday. As we know that how a holiday are important in our life. I will share my thought with corporate employee. We know that when he continue work office, he will get tired or feel stressful. So holiday is the day where we feel where our body and mind feel free. And that time holiday increase our productivity because it when we go for holiday, when we mind get relaxed, then we'll do again after refreshful mind. Holiday balance. Holiday increase our productivity in office. Holiday balance our work, and holiday also. What it is, I don't. Holiday also spending for holiday also gives our time for spending in family, and that's all. Good morning, everybody. I'm Anish Kumar. Today, my topic is the importance of holiday. So, first of all, I'm find out is holiday is break down our daily routine. That is help to our feel relaxed, decrease fatigue, anxiety, stress, physical relax, and like that. It is a help to for every people who are working in any organization, institutions, and even students. This is a help to also making a healthier relation with families, community, and it is a support to culture, how to be connected, and how to be learn many more things to another culture, because when we are going to vacations, they are exploring many things, and we are learn many things like how to be react another people, another culture, and another society, and what is our geographically impact, and how to be impact our climates, and it is sorry, when someone is working in an organization, they are they are daily basis certain things, so feel like fatigue, and his body say that like I'm not going to on the work. So holidays is expressing itself, and is after the weekends they are more productive and is working more effectively, and there are many types of holidays like a weekend, and some organization giving 2 days in a weekend holiday like banking sector, and many services organization and institutions.
and many more holidays offering by schools, institutions for students because they have an idea how to be surviving and how to be face the same things and because these are earlier stage in our life so our organization and our government provide many more holidays vacations for students and they are on the vacations move many more places and many more things. That's all.
I want to add some points about the holiday that in the annual vacations of the children, those who are studying in school, get many holiday homework. That is wrong because the holiday are given to enjoy the to children, but they give too much homework to the students so they cannot enjoy more time. They study more time in also in the holiday. Like, now, at a time, sometime with my topic, that is holiday. Our birthday, we celebrate know all about our birthday. That is also a holiday to enjoy the single person in me with lots of party and lots of fun on this day with family, friends, and you go to the we are going to the temple and worship the God because it's our special day birthday and we know all about holiday are spend the time with family. Now, men are holding men person who job busy in job are spend a time with family and a student who going to school and college and after some time schools and college will be off take a holiday in that time student and also a person who in job both are enjoy our holiday but a mother never enjoy our holiday a mother will never having a holiday because she always busy in our kitchen and always do food and make food she never rest in our life the mother will be get some fevers, some. Then we also see say that I'm okay and I could feed for my our family because mother because they don't take any type of the rest and they don't take all family members are busy in our festivals. All family members busy in our all types of work but our mother make a food to make also a special festivals in Diwali, Chhat Puja, make a food. She always busy in our kitchen and make it in Chhat Puja, such type of make a prasad, that of things. She never get a rest in our life. That's on my side. In my mind, because I'm also a lady and after that I'm also feeling in my life. That's why I say that my own feelings. But that is a good point. Yeah, really. I think that is she will say that, but she will listen. In that time, I think she will say that. Her point I'm not, I have no any type of holiday, I'm always busy in kitchen, but she never, that's why I say that. Because now I'm cooking all types of food. Can you give me one? Oh, you eat? Yeah, what is the recipe? Then yeah, I'm making nothing. Tea. Yeah. How? Not without sugar. Not. Adding salt, not sugar. Adding salt. Oh, that's the time. Tea. Yeah. Tea. Yes. 1 cup of milk and a little bit cup of the water because we are be making a 1 cup of tea only and add it in sustain and boil it completely and then put our tea leaf and tea leaf after the boiling and color will be come then before the 1 minute we that is what tea leaf. That is the tea leaf. Tea leaf. Yeah, okay. And added sugar and also when you want to ginger and elaichi it depends upon your taste you will add it in. Yes, if you get some rest and your body will be very enjoy and get a stressful mind then you want to ginger and when you want to taste and enjoyful your taste then you added elaichi. For tea, you have to go in. See, that's the idea how to make the. I have also idea, but I don't. You have also idea? Yeah. What I was like in the food. No, only
Which
for
types of
tea.
food?
Only for tea.
Veg, non-veg?
I have only idea about
Only
tea.
for tea.
Only tea.
Yeah, I am a pure boy.
What is
You're
it?
lucky.
Why you need say you like I'm a pure boy?
Because girls make food. Don't boys
So
don't.
why this world is
Girls
Make something.
girls make
Okay, we clear.
one of for a great moment after some years you also make a food for some make a tea bed tea you also make a tea and
I want to add some. I want to add some points.
yeah you also
That's my point. That is importance of holiday. That there are also many types of holidays on the festivals of Hindus. Just like and also the festival of our India, the national festivals, just like Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day, Independence
that
Day.
type of holidays they are national holidays.
That I'm telling that some types of national holiday and some festivals holidays like Dasara, Holi, Diwali, Chhat Puja, and many others. Thank you.
Raksha Bandhan that is a festival that it is also a festival part of it.
Festival which in the sister earn many money
Now
and many gifts.
have you reached that
No,
sales?
in Nova that some other
But
discussion.
I feel boring.
Want to add some point?
He is education and counting the money for where in this day what type of money will
Are you
be
come with me?
expended.
Adat, are you come with me now? Adat, are you come or not? Where?
Others.
Where others? This feeling is boring.
What happened others?
I want to add some points. There are many national festival holidays and festivals holiday like national festival holidays like Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day, Independence Day, and many more. And there are festivals holiday like Chhat Puja, Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, and some others festivals holiday are like Christmas and many things. Thank you.
Please add some more points, all of you.
Add some points.
Had anyone
Add some points.
I'm already at this one point.
about tea?
It's
Lots
about
of
things.
Because you have
Holiday.
a proper idea about holiday. Girls utilize very much holiday.
Yeah,
Yes, you are right.
because
Why is
boys
it-
study.
Boys only wants to waste the holiday.
Oh.
Not way.
On
Sleeping,
sleeping.
yes, you are
Yes.
right.
Now I'm added some point.
Because
There's a lots of the holiday in our corona periods. There's
Holiday.
lockdown periods.
That is not.
But
That was.
all people are
serious
enjoying
thing.
with our families and they
Yes,
stay with our
yes,
families
you
and
should
God.
break down the
Holiday means you can
enjoy.
go
Go
without
anywhere.
doing
Enjoy.
anything.
In Corona period,
You
do
can
you
earn.
go to the water park?
No.
Bath?
But in
See,
corona
you-
periods, lockdown periods, I make food and totally cooking will be absorbed it. In that time, I totally make food
That was
and
not
skill will be
holiday.
developed in our kitchen.
That was
Yeah,
not
yeah,
holiday.
youth mandate. Because after some time
You say that if Corona is not came, you not have an idea of food. You will
No, in that time I have the little idea before, but in the period of the lockdown, my mom said that and is
You say
totally
you are going
complete
to
my
die.
skill.
You want to say you
Three
want
times of the cooking product.
you want to say Corona gives more opportunity for like
Develop
that.
my skills in our kitchen.
wow.
And you want work
And
with
every
maid.
night I make a chapati.
After when you
And before the corona period, I make some type of things like pasta, Maggi, poha, this type of thing, and make. That's why I'm not proper.
not
Give the recipe of poha.
Certain rice बोलते हैं ना.
अरे वो जो
Chura.
अरे
Rattle rice.
Not chura. अरे वो चूड़ा अलग हो गया. वो चूड़ा
That
पहले
is
बनाया
right.
गया.
In the married time, all girls want to wear chura.
Yeah, that I told you. वो चूड़ा अलग हो गया.
He said that what the recipe of the. You cut the all vegetables that you want to eat, like Simla mirch and onion.
what call Simla mirch?
क्या बोलते हैं उसको? capsicum, capsicum, and cut onions, pea, carrot, and lots of things. Curry leaves, it is a mandatory, and the rye, black rye, and you boil the mustard oil and totally hot oil, mustard oil.
You know,
And you
a
fry
holiday
it,
is very important for every person's life because suppose if you are going in any sector, if you are going to do any job, otherwise if you are also in a study line and you are working currently in a flow of means you are working over the day in month, so you are feeling very boring.
That's why I need a holiday.
When we don't take,
It is a walking.
That is why I also feel this because
when we don't
after
take,
sometimes sir is saying something.
listen me. When we don't take holiday, we lost our mental and physical health.
Lost.
in holiday we getting a lots of shoppings and enjoy the life.
Only girls, not boys.
And you do work up to
Happiness in
And
our
play-
yeah,
life.
definitely.
And-
Boys only sleep.
And
No,
please,
Is the
don't go to
happiness
shopping.
of the life.
Yeah, shopping is the second happiness in my life.
In Nike.
As we are zero.
In a duplicate.
Duplicate.
Yes. Nike is always duplicate.
Yeah.
You listen a pop brand and whose brand? Yeah,
Since
sugar pop.
he said, what is
Pop
that?
means pop.
Local brand.
No.
And you say like that he is going to 99 malls.
No, at that time line.
Yeah, I'm going.
Yes. Say.
Yeah, I'm going.
Tell the names of this
When?
that mall.
B2 in offer letter.
B2 is not a.
Okay.
At that time line road.
No, I've never
shopping.
gone.
Line road.
No, I've never go Lime Road. I go in Krishna dresses and
Friends.
That is
Yeah,
also
offering
sell
the-
the local brand product.
No. Interest offer always a
How
good
can I
quality
say?
of.
If you are going and buy a spice,
And
the
similar.
number of duplicate will come in a market. B2 no.
Julia and also McDonald and I go.
Here is a Tata product outlet. Shopping mall.
Okay, relax. I'm not go for money. I'm gonna if a product maybe I choose, then I like it, then I wear it.
Netflix में टर्टल वगैरह में नहीं टर्टल नहीं
Turtle
some of item just like
How-
Netflix. Yeah.
Now I'm going in video and after my I go
How
in
much
Netflix.
for product?
Video is
Too much cheap, no?
yes.
So what do you expect of the 700 and
If it's
I
not
will-
mandatory, our product is good or not,
Yeah.
that is mandatory.
Yes, but it is not a maintained cheapest and how do we produce our product?
We go for T&M, just like C1 for and call and meet with CEO and discuss about price of.
Because this offer always outlet is what is totally brand outlet.
Shut man.
Action solution. Why expression like a dull? At some point, Mr. Anand said, I will say, add something.
Awa, go and call sir. Today I don't want to. Online? Cash system, have you? Online payment, you have cash system. Account will make you.
I will give you
One day.
some money.
How much? Yeah.
If you say about ago, I will pay.
not
Now, if you say about ago, I will pay.
after half an hour.
Yeah.
Before half an hour.
Because I am a player. I'm using a mobile phone.
Next day. Next day.
Not possible.
We go to road and ask for money.
I don't take any type of.
30 rupees extra. Go to the cafe.
Go to
But also you don't forget, 14th February is also a very big day for every student, also every youth.
I
Definitely,
think
also in a who fallen in love.
I think others is
Fallen वाला.
others. भैया am I right?
I'm totally happy.
Come on, say. Two. Come. Not Danapur. Danapur came. Beside this building.
Why this building? Besides this building is Kochi.
I'm getting another. What is saying?
You don't forget about the chocolate day. Or I considering chocolate.
Miss Anushka, they had toffee in chocolate day. Not
I'm
moon,
a
not
contributor.
Melody.
But I need 30.
and you can distribute
वो आ जाएगा.
3,000 rupees.
Yeah.
If you all want,
Using
You give me dress. I spend totally money
आ जाएगा.
in whole festival.
नहीं वो शायद 1.5 में
the I have learned that is very bad.
discuss
सबको मिलेगा.
I have this.
एक खाएगा ना लेके आएंगे.
भी लाएगी.
अरे वो दूसरा दिल ला रहे हैं.
इलायची डालना ला रही थी वो क्या बोलते हैं?
अरे वो बाबा इलायची लाना है.
आगे सब
तो लहरी समझ गए.
डर गया.
भांग का गोला होता है
खेसारी
गोला बना के
गोला बना के.
we are no very well.
खिला दो 2 रुपए का था।
पता चलेगा कि यहाँ से नीचे गिरा के
क्या बात है.
भाई बच्चा
हाँ ये
ये पे तुम्हारे
नहीं वो नहीं होगा.
we can handle but they don't handle.
I can handle. हाँ शिवरात्रि से.
होली पे भांग
सॉफ्ट
सॉफ्ट.
दूसरा भांग कोई बहुत कुछ डालता है
आप
सर्दियों में ना
प्लीज आप प्लीज
भाई भांग तुम्हारे केस आगे तो होता है हाँ अटल बात के बड़ा
पड़ा हुआ है.
चला जाएगा.
काट के लगी परमर बन जाएगा. परमर बन जाएगा.
Be a farmer.
They are
हाँ नहीं होगा
At evening time, one child was doing this like this.
शायद धूल में. अरे भाई गलत था.
अरे भाग बात किया
वही तो.
अजीब आदमी.
अरे इसका जनरेशन में है ना.
वो हाई लेवल का आ गया. अपॉर्चुनिटी रहता नहीं रहता.
यार बॉडी को अनादर
अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं. अभी तो श्योर है.
हाँ तुम अच्छे तरीके से समझ सकते हो चिंता
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
भाई
अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
होना भी चाहिए होना भी चाहिए
But I don't have an idea about what is going on, what which types of days